Hey everybody, welcome to the Bedford Life & Company. My name is Alexis and asparagus season is officially here. So today I'm going to show you a really easy recipe that packs a flavorful punch. So put your aprons on and let's get started. You ready, Dad?
Okay.
Woo! Here's what you'll need. Asparagus, prosciutto. Now I recommend imported prosciutto because the domestic, just doesn't taste as good to me. That's just my personal opinion. And if you're gonna buy it at the deli section of the grocery store, make sure they put layers of paper in between them. Otherwise they just all stick together and it becomes this like disastrous jumbled mess. 1 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese, a half a teaspoon of dried basil, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, olive oil, and 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, and I just used a garlic press to mash them all up. From here, it's really easy. Just put some tin foil down on a cookie sheet, preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and take all the ingredients except for the prosciutto and put it in a Ziploc bag and give it a good shake. This way you can incorporate all the ingredients to coat the asparagus. You may want to let that sit for about 5 minutes, but it's not necessary. It's sliced very thin, so you have to be delicate with it. Once you've wrapped up all of your asparagus, you're going to put it in the oven for approximately 20 minutes or until the asparagus has reached your desired texture. And there you have it. Look how absolutely beautiful. They did not last very long because I ate all of them for lunch. I was hungry. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you check out the description box below for links to our Patreon page and PayPal. In addition, you can find direct links for all the merchandise and products featured in this video. Hope to see you guys soon. Bye.